You're tuned to Beacon, Florida's only around-the-clock emergency preparedness source. Beacon. Safety first, always on.
Attention residents of Sarasota County. Hurricane Milton is in the process of making landfall, and Sarasota County is in the direct path of this dangerous hurricane. Shelter in place and stay tuned to Beacon for the latest updates from county, state, and federal agencies.
Atención residentes del condado de Sarasota. El huracán Milton está en el proceso de tocar tierra y el condado de Sarasota está en el trayecto para un impacto directo de este peligroso huracán. Refúgiate donde te encuentres y manténgase sintonizado a Beacon para recibir las últimas actualizaciones de las agencias del condado, estatales y federales.
Bridges to North and South Hutchinson Island will close at 8 p.m. tonight. Access will be limited to first responders and residents facing emergencies, provided law enforcement deems it safe. If you are not a resident of North and South Hutchinson Island, you will not be allowed to cross these bridges until the winds subside.
Florida Division of Emergency Management is telling residents it's their last chance to evacuate in response to Hurricane Milton. There are 155 shelters open statewide, including 7 state-operated facilities. A full list of shelters is available at floridadisaster.org/shelters.
This is Beacon, your 24/7 source for critical safety information. When emergencies strike, we're always on. Beacon.